All right, y'all. So I just finished leveling my backyard and I went to go pick up some more soil from Ace. They loaded it in the car for me. So I didn't discover that this was completely waterlogged until I tried to get it into my wagon. This soil is soaking wet. So I had to dump it on my garage floor because it was raining on and off. I couldn't put it out in my driveway. So I had a couple of dry bags. So I dumped that in my wagon and I'm just sifting through here. And if you see pieces of like manure or something, just try and grind those up because you want to keep those. But y'all, I found pieces of brick in here. I found rocks. There were tons and tons of wood chips. So I went ahead and put this down. So I don't know if you saw my last video, but I marked all the holes in my yard with chopsticks. And then I'm just literally just using the soil and putting it into those holes to level those areas so I don't scalp my grass. So you can see over here to the side how many wood chips are in there. Look over to the left and I'm just collecting those in a pile right there. You don't want all these wood chips on your lawn. So I went ahead and bought this soil sifter off Amazon. They give you 2 different sizes and I'm just putting that soil in there and just check out how many wood chips are in here. So I go back to my wet dirt and it's time to dry it. I've got a fan on here, so just turn that, and I went ahead and tried to put some through the sifter and it's just still too wet. So I'm just going to leave that right here in the sun, and I'm coming back to check on this again about every hour, try and turn it.
Why won't you dry? Dry!
Sorry, I yelled.
Please dry.
All right, so I decided I'm going to take this paint tarp that I put the soil on, and it just starts ripping all apart. I'm just trying to get this on the garage floor so I can spread it out a little bit more, so maybe it'll dry a little bit quicker. So I just leave it here for a little bit, come back and check on it, and it's about ready. So I'm just getting this into a pile. I'm going to scoop that into the sifter and just sift that through. Now, my neighbors were driving by. They kept wondering what I was doing out here. So go ahead and sift that soil, get all of that off your garage floor. It was driving me crazy having my garage floor all dirty like that. So I'm just sweeping it up with the broom and getting the last little bit of that soil into the sifter so that I can finish leveling my yard. All right, so I sifted all that soil. I put my chopsticks in where the holes were. I'm just dumping that. And I'm telling y'all, this leveling rake, I got it off of Amazon for $37. I'll leave a link to this product in the description below so you can pick it up from Amazon yourself. But just push it across and you'll see me bending down from time to time. I'm just kind of getting those pieces of grass to stick up because these holes were really, really deep. So some of that grass was really, really long in there. So just make sure that you pull those up a little bit. Go ahead and put some fertilizer on your lawn. I always use Lesco and get it from Site One. And this is a 28-310 that I'm putting down. And go ahead and give your lawn a full watering so it gets deep down into that soil. I'll be sure to post a video of the after. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.